everyone, this is Billy. Welcome to Billy Holman Creations. Now today I spent most of my time trying to finish up a project that I started months ago. It's more of the fall season theme, but I'm a little late, but I want to go ahead and finish these up so I can put them aside and possibly in my shop that I'm building. So let me show you what I've got. I purchased some of these hair bands. These are plastic hair bands, and I ordered this package from Temu. Now they fit my head, but they look like they'd fit a little girl too. It didn't say ladies or girls or small or medium or large, but this is what I ended up with. And I had some pretty, this is like a velveteen ribbon. And I ended up using what I had of this and an orange just by wrapping and hot gluing this ribbon to the hairband. Now, some time ago, I had made a bunch of crocheted little flowers, and I had made little bouquets. And these are what I have left over. I also made a little button flower. That was real simple, and I have these on wire. But like I say, these are all I have left of my little bouquets, so I want to use them up. And it's very simple. Someday I can show you this little crochet pattern, but I used embroidery floss. That's what these are made of, and buttons. So what I want to do is decorate these hair bands here. Now I made a dot for the side where I want to have my middle piece, because I want these to be off to the side, not straight across the top. So I'm using Beacon fabric tack glue. It works real well with, you know, the threads, the ribbon, and the wire. But I need to get these off the wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use up this button, and I'm just going to clip as close as I can without having this come undone where the wire is. I'm just going to get rid of that, and I think I'll use let's see, I want to use the larger flowers. That's a small one. Don't have very many. Maybe these are the only larger ones I have left. Anyway, I also made a bunch of little hair ties with these two, and this is just another one I had left over. I'll just put that aside, but let me go ahead and do the same thing. I want to cut as close as this wire twist that I can without having it come undone. Or I could have just rethreaded these. But why do that when you can just cut the wire off? Okay, and then one more. These were so simple to make, but they've been sitting there forever. And I'll show you the entire batch when I get this one put together. I'm going to take my pliers here, and I'm just going to squish this wire piece down or to the side, whoops, and lock it in there so it's not protruding up. I came pretty close on that one, but we'll just squeeze it down. This one too. Just push that over to the side. And it's just a matter, you can use hot glue. I like the fabric tack. I did use hot glue on putting the ribbon on. I didn't know if I told you that. And then I folded some smaller pieces over the ends. So let me find my little dot, and I'm going to start with the flower and just get my tacky glue started here. And I should have had it upside down in a cup, but I'm just gonna put a good portion into the middle, and I'm not going to go right on that dot. I'm going to put the button on the top, but I want the flower to slip under the button a little bit. So we're just going to put that there. I'll add a little more to these petals. And the reason I want them under the button is because the button stands up higher. And this will give me something to rest the button on. And I'll do the same with the other one here. Some glue. This might be the quickest video I've ever made. Anyway, same thing. I might as well go get a little bit on these petals here. Just come close to my center dot. Make sure I have the glue in the right place. Like so. It doesn't take long to set up this glue. And then I'll take my button and I'm going to go in the middle. Good heaping dollop. And on top of, just a little on top of these petals. So, whoop, come on. So my buttons can, and I just stuck my finger in it, can sit. Might have to move them closer. That's a little button set. And just press this down. Like so. Okay. I've got some oozing out. I'll just pick that away. Get this off my fingers. It peels right off of your fingers. And I did cut myself several places today. But get that down. Might have to hold this a second. But then I had also found these little leaves that are for jewelry making, and I did get these off of Temu too. And that's just a matter of sticking a dollop under this leaf or this flower, putting that in. That'll ease through so I can glue that petal down. Ease through, ooze through. Do the same on this side. Get my little leaf in there. Push that down. And there you have it. A cute little hairband made out of buttons and embroidery floss. So, this is what I've been doing today. I did all of these. Can you see? I made a bunch. Let me stand up. I've got this one that is still wet. We've got greens and browns and buttons, and they're all similar. But I was able to finish these off today because they've been sitting in my craft room in a shoebox. And I thought, I'm just going to finish them off. So, there you have it. Little hairbands for ladies or girls. So, thank you for watching. This was quick and easy. I didn't go from start to finish, but from midway to finish. And this is what we have. I hope you like them. Use up your scraps. Get some of these hairbands. I'm sure you can get them at Hobby Lobby, Amazon, and or, Joann's Fabrics. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take good care. And I will talk to you soon. Sending big hugs. Bye.